In 2026, autonomous vehicles could replace millions of drivers. Roads redefined, but where do humans fit? Today, we navigate the automation wave and Zen routes to new destinations.
Welcome back to Future of Work in the AI Age, our series addressing AI's upheavals with Zen guidance. In Episode 6, we examined data and finance's AI acceleration. Now, Episode 7 steers into transportation, a sector on the brink of full autonomy. If you're a driver or logistics pro, subscribe for Zen navigation tips. Let's hit the road. Waymo and Tesla project self-driving tech could eliminate 4 million driving jobs globally by 2026, per Oxford Economics. The International Transport Forum estimates 70% of trucking roles automated. Why? Safety and savings. AI reduces accidents by 90% per NHTSA and operates non-stop. But this revolution creates voids only humans can bridge: oversight, ethics, and adaptation, unlocked through Zen practices.
Let's map out AI's automation in transportation with Zen tips to reroute your career. First, long-haul trucking. Autonomous trucks, like those from Too Simple, cover distances tirelessly. Impact? 3 million jobs at risk. Example, UPS pilots. AI hauls freight 20% cheaper. Why? No rest stops. Zen tip: transition to fleet management. Daily 10-minute meditation to build focus for monitoring, turning miles into mindful oversight. Next, ride-sharing and taxis. Robo-taxis from Uber's partners dominate urban trips. McKinsey: 1 million drivers displaced. Example, Cruise in San Francisco, fully driverless rides. Reason: on-demand efficiency. Zen tip: cultivate emotional intelligence. Digital detox to refine passenger interaction skills for premium services. Third, delivery and logistics. Drones and bots like Amazon's handle last mile. Gartner: 500,000 courier roles evolve. Example, FedEx's AI routing optimizes paths. Zen tip: embrace adaptability. Do nothing pauses to foster creative problem-solving in dynamic logistics. Fourth, public transit operations. AI, buses and trains self-navigate. Impact: operators shift to safety roles. Example, Singapore's MRT. AI reduces human error. Zen tip: enhance critical thinking. Stoic reflection on scenarios to anticipate ethical dilemmas like passenger safety. Fifth, maintenance and infrastructure. Predictive AI fixes vehicles pre-breakdown. Deloitte: 200,000 mechanic jobs transform. Example, Boeing's ground transport AI. Zen tip: skill stacking. Meta-learn tech diagnostics with nature resets for innovative troubleshooting. Sixth, regulatory and ethical navigation. AI lacks judgment in rules. Humans enforce. Zen tip: boost leadership. Minimalism to clear mind for policy and compliance roles. And finally, overall mobility shift. From ownership to shared autonomy, AI redefines access. Zen tip: lifelong learning. 7-day tech fast to rediscover human-centric design in transport. Transportation's automation is accelerating, but Zen rerouting leads to fulfilling paths. In our next episode, Retail and Legal: Automation's Arrival. Driver or in transit? Share below. Subscribe for Zen Journeys through AI. New videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Stay on course. See you next time.